Lab procedure. We found the velocity of each car, predicted the position of the crash by finding the equations and solving the system of equations algebraically and graphically, and we found the actual position of the crash. Materials: whiteboard, cars, meter stick, iPhone.
Breaking news on KCAL 9 right now, and you are looking at a very fast, high-speed pursuit. Let's go right up to Gil Levis. He's overhead in Sky 9. Gil?
Sandra, 120 miles an hour here on the 91 freeway, just passing the 605. This guy has been coming out of the Chino area.
Yesterday, there was a high-speed chase where Paige Spradlin was caught going over 120 miles per hour. She then proceeded to crash into Peyton DeVore as she was driving home from Starbucks. She is sentenced to life in prison.
I was on my way to Starbucks when some idiot came onto my side of the road and ran into me. She spilled my chai. You owe me $4, Paige.
No one really knows what happened because I was going so fast. So we're gonna do a mini simulation to see, on a 2-meter scale, to see where I went wrong.
The red car traveled 2 meters in 5.35 seconds, giving it a velocity of 0.373 meters per second.
The green car traveled 2 meters in 5.06 seconds, giving it a velocity of 0.395 meters per second.
In order to predict where the two cars crash, we will graph the trajectory meeting point. We found the equations of both cars by using point-slope form. We know the green car has a point at 2 meters in 2 seconds and is moving in a negative direction. The red car has a starting point at 0 meters in 0 seconds and is moving in a positive direction.
In order to calculate where the two cars should crash, we set the equations equal to each other where they found they crash at t equals 3.633 seconds, and by plugging that back into the original equation, we found that they meet at x equals 1.355 meters.
As you can see in the video, the toy cars crashed at approximately 1.4 meters from the left, which is fairly close to our prediction of 1.355.
Yeah. Y'all know what it is.
We found there was a small margin of error due to both experimental and human error. The experimental error is mainly due to the crookedness of the sidewalk. Unfortunately, I was still convicted. Come visit me.
Yay,
physics!
The end.